What's up, Boss Painter Nation? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, replying to a question from Taryn. Hey Tony, I have a 2000 Toyota Tundra with a clear coat and over half of the hood's paint is worn off. So far, no rust. I would like to know what the best process would be to refinishing it and the tops of the fenders. How much should be sanded down to bare metal prime paint with light sand, smooth to finish paint? I'm sure you've seen maroon red vehicle hoods, cabs with problems, what's recommended. Okay, so here's the thing. This is a very, very common question as well. Number one, Taryn, if you have not, very, very crucial for you to go to LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Okay, I'll have the link on the top right of this video here or down below, and download this book. We actually just redid it. It's over 100 pages. There's links to videos, to blog posts that'll help you out with this exact problem that you have. Okay. Also, I would say to check out VIP. Seriously, if you want to save thousands and hundreds, check out VIP. Maybe you're already a VIP member. I'm not 100% certain, but if you are, go through the trainings because I show you, we talk all about this. We show you exactly how to basically get this stuff done, just like our members have right here in these images here. Okay, these are all of our VIP member submitted photos of their projects, and you should submit yours if you're a VIP so I can showcase you. Anyway, again, you'd probably want to use a DA 320 grit or maybe even a 280 to feather everything out. Okay, feather it all out. You're going to want to take all that bad clear coat off, feather it out, and then I would follow that whole thing with a 2K filler primer on all those panels. Okay, then basically you can sand that down with 400 to 600 grit, wet sand, block it out, get it ready for paint, and then put your base coat and clear coat on top of that. Okay, of course, there's a bunch of other methods, but that would be my method of attack quickly to get it done. Of course, you can cheat. You can use a DA and cut it down quicker if you don't want to put the time in and block it out by hand. But they do say that all the best jobs come out by hand, you know, when you hand finish it off. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I like to tell everybody to send me as many pictures as you can. But you haven't sent in any pictures, so it's hard for me to really tell you where to cut the line if you're going to blend it. Toyota Tundra, pretty round. I know this is a pretty round body style. And you're talking about, I mean, I could Google this quick for you guys. 2000 Toyota Tundra. And we can take a look at the truck quick. It is the rounder body style here. So, you know, I'm thinking you probably got, what's a good shot? You know, maybe we'll use this one here. You know, you probably got, let me see if I can blow this up for my video people here. Let's use red. You know, maybe it's faded from here up, you know, the hood, all that. And, you know, with the body lines, there's no place to really blend it. And if you're going to be doing the top of this, you might as well paint the whole clear coat, the whole fender, you know. So you'd be basically redoing the hood, the whole fender, maybe this rail, maybe the roof, okay, maybe part of the door. You could probably do some blending up in here, okay, maybe not eye level, maybe down here, so or at the very top, so you don't have to do coming down all the way down to the back pillar here. It depends. It depends. You might have some fading around on the top of this quarter panel here. You know, I don't know. Then if you did do that, then you'd want to paint the whole bed. You know, then maybe you just want to do the whole truck. So it all depends. You know, you can't make old paint look like new paint. You really can't. You're gonna see a color difference. You know, especially if paint's 20 years old, right? It faded through the years, of course, you know, not only the clear, but the color under it. So keep that in mind. I hope this video kind of helped you out, gave you some ideas. But again, don't forget to check out the website here, Learn Auto Body Paint. I mean, everything is here for you. YouTube has a lot, but everything is here step by step. Okay, this is organized. Think of it as a Netflix-style learning center where you could learn everything you need to do with auto body. I mean, we have over 10,000 VIP members worldwide going to our trainings, and just learning everything step by step. Here's a guy, similar to what you're probably doing, got it done. Look at this guy, totally torn up to a nice 350Z. Okay, so it's Tony here, guys. Head down to learnautobodyandpaint.com if you're brand new to this channel. Don't forget to get on the newsletter, subscribe, grab your 100-page auto body book that we just redid, actually. I think you're going to like it because it also links out to a bunch of other videos and stuff like that. Okay, talk to you soon. Have a great day. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And, just to wrap it up, use like a 280 grit, feather everything down. You can move up to a 320 grit, okay? Spray 2K filler primer over all those areas. Make sure you mask up, right? And then you'd want to wash that down with 400 grit, maybe wash it off with 600 grit, mask off what you have to mask, and then apply your base coat, clear coat. Okay. Again, it's hard for me to know because I got no pictures. I can't tell you, where to blend it or what. But that's pretty much it. As far as what spray guns to use, temp settings, and everything, it's all at learnautobodyandpaint.com. So just check out this website, man. It's all there. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.